Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. Silent viewers, big up yourself. I really appreciate you. As you can see by the title, I am making shepherd's pie. Come along with me. Let I show you how I create this delicious meal.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, chop.
For this recipe, I'll be using ground turkey. I'll be washing the ground turkey with lime and vinegar. Shepherd's pie normally make with beef or lamb meat. But today, Sister J is putting her own twist in it and I'm using turkey. So here I'm breaking up the meat so I can put some more of the lime and vinegar in it to make sure it is washed properly, after which I'll be running the water on it. Sister J food are the best, just believe. Sister J when I mean for be rude, but from your pussy recipe, it don't forget views. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put the post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. So now I'm seasoning up my turkey, and here I have some complete seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, Caribbean cuisine, I don't know how the best food is in real life, man. Tell you. So you want the best recipes. Here I have some Italian seasoning. So check it out now for all the best recipes. And now I'm putting some parsley. Here I'm putting the pot on the fire. I'm using the cooking spray because you know this ground meat have some fat in it. So I refuse to put too much oil in the pot. Yes, guys. Over here, I have my seasoning already prepared, my celery, my parsley, my bell pepper, my onion, and my scallion and thyme. And over here, I have some carrots. I have here Parmesan cheese, tomato, and right there I have sauce, tomato sauce, and right there I have my potato. I'm using the instant mashed potato, and here is the other seasoning. That's the parsley flakes and the Italian seasoning, and I have some meat seasoning there. Now I'm adding some onion to the pot, and then here I had the scallion, bell pepper, assorted bell pepper, some parsley, that's fresh parsley. Just mixing this up. So I'm using the instant mashed potato, but go ahead and use your fresh potato if you're gonna make this recipe. To let me lazy, so I use instant potato. Now I'm adding some carrots. The instant potato will still do the job. Just don't make it too soft. So now I'm adding my tomato. I'm using the tomato in the can. It has basil, garlic, and oregano. So now I'm adding the Sasson season to that. And here I'm using some meat seasoning. I'm adding some Italian seasoning and parsley and some parsley flake. Now I'm pouring the sauce in. So this is the meat sauce. And we're just going to mix this up to make our shepherd's pie. So here I'm putting some scallion. And here I have some water on the fire. I'm adding some butter to that. Water bubble up. So now I'm adding some milk. So we're gonna go ahead and make the mashed potato. So I'm adding the instant mashed potato in. And then we're just gonna mix this up. So this is what the instant potato looks like. I don't want it to be too soft. I want it to have the texture just like the one that I peel and cook. So you see that, guys? Yes, that's exactly what I'm looking for. So here is the meat and here's the potato. So we're gonna make some shepherd's pie. The cheese over there, Parmesan cheese and some cheddar cheese. Now I'm spraying my dish. So now I'm adding the potato, a layer of potato, and then I'll be adding the meat, then another layer of potato, then the cheese. Sister J, Caribbean cuisine, best foods, best foods. This meat smells so good. As I said, this recipe, most people make it with ground beef or lamb. But Sister J, I do her own things, so she used turkey, ground turkey. So now I'm adding another layer of potato on top. Now I'm sprinkling the cheese. I'm putting some Parmesan cheese on top of the cheddar cheese. After 35 minutes, then my pie is ready. Look at it, guys. My shepherd pie is ready. Looking good. Smell good too. Now I'm just cutting a piece so you can see what it looks like. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at that. Look at that, guys. My lovely shepherd pie is ready. Here I'm serving it with some broccoli. Yes. Take a look. Lovely shepherd pie. You can try this out, guys. You use the meat of your choice. And this is a lovely dish. Hi, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Just do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. We're from that place. Who the best? Who the best? Best place. Please subscribe for more. Sister J, that place will be full of mix. Our spices them mix. And we're the definition of